Which waffle maker actually makes good waffles? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the real answer. Today, we're cutting through the noise and showing you exactly which ones deliver and which ones just look good on paper.
Product number 1, Dash Mini Waffle Maker in Aqua. This tiny thing caught my eye because it's under $10 and over 10,000 people bought it last month. It's small, lightweight, and heats up fast with a 350-watt motor. If you want a quick, no-fuss waffle for one person or a fun snack for kids, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's perfect if you live in a dorm, have a tiny kitchen, or just want something simple for weekend breakfasts. The non-stick surface actually works, waffles pop right out, and cleanup is just a quick wipe. It makes one small, thick waffle at a time, and the indicator light tells you when it's ready. It's not going to replace your Sunday brunch setup, but for a single serving, it gets the job done. Now, some people complained about uneven heating or waffles sticking if you don't grease it lightly. Here's the thing though, this isn't a high-end machine. For under $10, you're getting exactly what you pay for, basic function with charm. If you need consistent restaurant quality results, this isn't it. But for occasional use, totally fine. This is perfect for you if you want something cheap, cute, and compact for solo waffles or kid-friendly treats. Skip this one if you're feeding a family or want deep-pocket Belgian-style waffles. For the price, it's a fun little gadget that actually works.
Product number 2, Cuisinart Classic Round Waffle Maker. That was a solid option for singles. But if you want something that actually feels like a real appliance, the Cuisinart Classic Round Waffle Maker steps up. At $38, it's still affordable, but built like it means business. 1,000 watts, stainless steel, and 5 browning settings. If you want control over how crispy your waffles get, this one's a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable browning control lets you go from light and fluffy to dark and crunchy, which is huge if you're picky about texture. The deep pockets hold syrup and toppings without spilling, and the ceramic nonstick plates are PFAS-free, so you're not worrying about chemicals. Plus, the ready-to-bake and ready-to-eat lights prevent under or overcooking. It makes one large waffle at a time, and the upright storage saves space. Now, some people said the waffles can stick if you don't spray it every time, and the round shape isn't ideal if you want square waffles for sandwiches. Here's the thing though, this is a classic design for a reason. It's reliable, heats evenly, and delivers consistent results. The sticking issue is minor with proper prep, and the round waffle, still delicious. This is perfect for you if you want a no-nonsense, durable waffle maker for everyday breakfasts. Skip this one if you need to make multiple waffles at once or prefer Belgian thickness. For under $40, it's one of the best values out there.
Product number 3, Gourmet Belgian Waffle Maker. If the Cuisinart's round shape didn't win you over, the Gourmet Belgian Waffle Maker brings thick, fluffy waffles with deep grids, just like your favorite diner. At $30, it's a steal for what it delivers. 1,100 watts, ceramic nonstick plates, and upright storage. If you want Belgian-style waffles without spending over $50, this one's hard to beat. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The deep pockets are perfect for holding syrup, fruit, or whipped cream without leaking. The adjustable browning dial gives you full control, and the ceramic coating is more durable than standard nonstick, meaning less flaking over time. It's compact but powerful, and the indicator lights help you nail the timing every time. Plus, it stores upright, so it won't take over your counter. Now, some people mentioned the exterior gets really hot during use, so you've got to be careful when handling it. Here's the thing though, that's common with high wattage waffle makers. Just use the cool touch handle and give it space. It's not a design flaw, just a reminder to treat it like the hot appliance it is. This is perfect for you if you love thick, crispy on the outside waffles and want something affordable with premium features. Skip this one if you need a flip mechanism or multiple waffles at once. For $30, it's a serious contender.
Product number 4, Bella Flip & Store Waffle Maker. But if you want innovation, the Bella Flip & Store Waffle Maker flips the script, literally. It rotates 180 degrees for even cooking, then stands upright to save space. At around $40, it's stylish, functional, and makes 7-inch, 1.5-inch thick waffles. If you want restaurant-quality results in a compact design, this one's worth your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The flip mechanism ensures both sides cook evenly, no hot spots or undercooked centers. The Evergood ceramic coating is PFAS-free and wipes clean in seconds. The Cool Touch handles make flipping safe, and the cord wrap keeps things tidy. It's designed for modern kitchens where space is tight but taste isn't compromised. Now, some users said the flip action takes a little practice, too fast and batter spills. Here's the thing though, once you get the rhythm, it's smooth. It's not a flaw, just a learning curve. And honestly, the even cooking is worth the tiny adjustment. This is perfect for you if you want thick, fluffy waffles with even browning and smart storage. Skip this one if you're impatient or have very limited counter space when in use. For the features, it's a smart buy.
Product number 5, Cuisinart Flip Belgian Waffle Maker. This is the premium pick at $75. It's heavy duty, flips automatically, and makes 1-inch thick waffles with deep pockets. If you want professional results at home and don't mind spending a bit more, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The rotary flip ensures perfect browning on both sides. No guessing, no flipping manually. The 5-setting browning control, stainless steel build, and included drip tray and measuring cup make it feel like a kitchen centerpiece. The ceramic nonstick plates are top tier and cleanup is genuinely easy. This isn't just a waffle maker, it's a brunch upgrade. Now, some people said it's bulky and expensive compared to others. Here's the thing though, if you waffle weekly or host breakfasts, it's worth every penny. But if you only make waffles once in a while, maybe overkill. This is perfect for you if you want the best possible waffle with minimal effort and don't mind the price. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or have a tiny kitchen. For serious waffle lovers, it's the real deal.
So which one should you get? The Dash Mini for fun, quick snacks, the Cuisinart Classic for reliable everyday use, the Gourmia for thick Belgian waffles on a budget, the Bella Flip for smart design and even cooking, and the Cuisinart Flip Belgian if you want the best of the best. Each has its place. Just pick the one that fits your kitchen and your cravings.